Hey, my name's Alexa, this is Bentley, my husband Manny, and our bulldog Turbo. This Valentine's Day we decided to take our rig, the Lexus GX 470, up to Kern River.
So if you ever wondered what we do for camping, this is it.
So this spot was actually our plan B. We initially wanted to go a little bit more up north, but it started pouring in Los Angeles a couple days before, and the snow caused a bunch of roads to become closed. But regardless, this spot was still pretty perfect. We had access to the river right next to us, we were surrounded by trees, and it was still pretty remote.
Making a sunspin. Should give the dogs a little treat. So we got choo-choos and beef and sweet potato. So how did you build the platform?
With wood? It's crooked. It's crooked.
No, it's not.
It's not, but remember what happened
What did happen?
when we went to Big Brain?
Oh yeah. This is what happens when you don't finish your project.
No, because we
before-
have this on top, the heavy shit. We should have just put it down.
Hit us!
There we go. E. Go with M.
Which one?
I haven't said it. Hold on.
Okay. Miss.
And at last, it was finally time for lunch.
Our stuff. Go ahead and put this over there. Don't drop it. Oh. Today's first lunch is a sandwich.
You like this?
There, 1, 2, 3. But it's fine. My other pup. Say hi to the dog. I will. How about D7?
D7 minutes.
Wait, hold on. You said C7. My turn. F7. Yes, yes. D6.
E5?
E5. Miss.
After being my husband in Battleship, it was finally time for dinner. We decided to cook ribeyes this time with potatoes, and of course, since it was so cold, we wanted to make some maruchan. Fortunately, we did try to do Kraft mac and cheese, which is pretty funny because we never buy anything like that for camping. We like to eat pretty intricately, and the one time that we finally tried Kraft mac and cheese, it did not end well. Anyways, that same night we decided to stay out for a few more hours. We watched a few stars. I'll never get tired of how many stars that I see when you're not in the city. Now we are making breakfast. We made French toast with strawberries and bananas, and we decided to eat them along the river because what better view would you have?
Sheep? Oh, good boy. Okay, how about turbo? Oh, no, let's not hit turbo. Turbo, sit. Oh.
And just like that, the trip was over and it was time to pack up again and get ready for the drive home. We hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it won't be too long before our next camping trip. But for now, thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Bye.